Now I'm just going to flip it over just on the back side here. Hopefully you can get a good idea of what's happening with the location of the bulbs. So what I'm going to do is remove the bulbs from the packaging. And what I like to do is, before I actually put the gloves on, a little bit easier application, I remove the gloves and the bulbs out of the packaging, and I get the bulbs ready to install. So this way here, you're not working trying to unravel the package with the gloves on. So a little bit of tape on them, open up the bottom section, and the way they actually see it in here, base and the bulb, that's how it actually comes in that package. So there's no trying to guess. Keep it ready this way here. Again, second one, bottom part, where your ceramic section is, and which clips into the holder for the UVC bulb. Get it ready. Always wear the gloves. You don't want to leave hot spots on the bulbs, natural oils from your skin, or if you had something on your hands, any dirt or debris. You just basically decrease the area of the UVC lighting power. So put your gloves on properly. Take the bulbs out of the package itself, and you're going to assemble the back one first. That's your actual retainer clips for the bulbs. This type of assembly for the bulb UVC, very simple. Snap in place. Grab your second bulb. Again, just handle it with care. Don't want to be, throwing it around everywhere. Look, snap into place. Very simple. These are the newer applications on UVC bulb installation. Again, you want to replace them. Pull the lever down. When you replace your bulbs after 3 years of operation, again, lever, push it down, pull the bulb out. When you buy a replacement set of UVC bulbs with the clips themselves, they actually come with the new clips as well too, because they do actually get brittle over the time with the UVC bulbs themselves.